I'd like to talk about an effect that I was thinking of recently. The purpose of the effect is to appear and disappear images, and the main goal is have those curvy lines that fill up the screen, and having those UVs projected on the points on these curves. And I thought maybe it would be nice just to have kind of effect. So what I've done, I set up the grid in front of a camera and created UVs and quick shaded. The second part was made bound of the same plane, and I added a little bit thickness to the bound and scatter points inside randomly. Then I slightly increased the main shape, converted to VDB, and created an additional attribute, which is velocity attribute. And I used the point attribute as a source for velocity. Then I created a volume warp where I use turbulent noise and modified my velocity channel. And then I added advect points to create my curves. And I'll come back to this VDB advect points in a moment, just to show the whole process. Then I scaled it in a Y, so I have the flat planar curves. Resample it and create the animation. So here I have my curves appearing. I colored black, then I UV textured. And I use the same texture. In my case, it was a spring texture that I took from the internet and connected to the color. There's some luminance, not sure if I need to check. Yeah, and here I'm using my camera as a projector. So I'm projecting those UVs onto these curves. Next, I create an alpha channel so I can play with the opacity, and also I created a p-scale in case you want to play with the thickness of curves. Okay, then I merge it with the plane because I'm having small gaps. So by adding plane behind the same texture, and I have animated my alpha channel so it appears and disappears, so they play together. Creating an illusion that curves are forming. The main picture. You can actually achieve this by adding much more points and filling all the gaps, but as I'm making a lesson, I didn't spend too much time doing it. So speaking about advect points, if I create new advect points, so we're using velocity channel and outputting streamlines. So here I have to delete this channel and manually add bigger number. This way it creates lines. And also substeps. If I lower the substeps, let me just place you can achieve some interesting results as well. If you see like they are less curvy, more straight. And for example, if I change my noise type, you can achieve different results. Or by changing noise itself also gives some interesting results. So you have to add some bigger numbers and also add substeps if you want to remain those simplex noise, right? Well, that's about it. It was a little info about this effect. I hope it was useful. Thank you.